Ready to fuel your crypto trades? Let's dive into how to deposit funds into your Bybit account using the mobile app, making sure you're secure and ready to trade. First, open your Bybit app and tap on the Assets button located at the bottom right of your screen. This is your gateway to managing all your funds. Now, on the Assets page, you'll see a deposit button. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to the deposit options. You'll now see a list of cryptocurrencies you can deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. For example, let's select USDT. Next, you'll need to choose your preferred deposit chain. Note that selecting the wrong chain may result in loss of funds. Turk20 is a popular choice due to its low fees. Make sure the sending platform supports the chain you select. A deposit address will now be generated. Carefully copy this address by tapping the copy icon next to it. You'll need this address to paste into your sending wallet or exchange. Always double check the address before sending. Now, head over to the wallet or exchange you're sending your USDT from. Paste the copy address into the recipient address field. Input the amount you want to deposit and confirm the transaction in your sending wallet. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your deposit will appear in your Bybit account. Under Assets, deposit times vary depending on the cryptocurrency and the network load. And that's it. You've successfully deposited funds into your Bybit account. Now you're ready to start trading. Subscribe for more crypto guides and trading tips.